Understanding limits with real-life examples. What is a limit? A limit in calculus describes the value that a function f of x approaches as the input x gets closer to a specific number. Mathematical notation is given by limit of f of x as x approaches a equals to L. This means, as x approaches, a f of x gets closer to L. This is the actual definition, but wait. Did you get anything? Not really, right? Okay, I have an idea. Let's explore this concept using real-life examples. Example 1. Speed and a traffic light. Imagine you are driving toward a red traffic light at an intersection. As you get closer, you gradually slow down. Right. Okay, wait. Let me explain with 3 different speeds. At 100 meters away, your speed is 50 kilometers per hour. At 50 meters away, your speed is 30 kilometers per hour. At 10 meters away, your speed is 10 kilometers per hour. Right before stopping, your speed is almost 0 kilometers per hour. So, what did you learn from this example? Mathematically, we can express this situation as limit of as time. T approaches the moment you reach the stoplight. T, the speed approaches 0. Right? That means your speed approaches 0 as you reach the stoplight, even though you're still moving just before stopping. This is exactly what a limit represents. What a function is approaching, not necessarily its exact value. Let's see one more example. Temperature change. Suppose you take a hot cup of coffee from the microwave. Initially, it's 90 degrees Celsius, but as time passes, it cools down toward room temperature 25 degrees Celsius. After 1 minute, it is 80 degrees Celsius. After 5 minutes, it is 60 degrees Celsius. After 15 minutes, it is 35 degrees Celsius. As time goes to infinity, it approaches 25 degrees Celsius, but never really reaches absolute room temperature instantly. But wait, I should really drink it now. So, what did you learn from this example? Mathematically, we can express this situation as limit, as time, T approaches infinity, the temperature, T, approaches 25 degrees Celsius. Right. That means the coffee's temperature approaches 25 degrees Celsius over time, but never actually reaches it instantly. Limits describe this type of gradual approach. Limits help us understand situations where a value gets closer and closer to something, but doesn't necessarily reach it immediately. In real life, this applies to slowing down at a stoplight, cooling coffee. Limits are fundamental in calculus because they help define derivatives, that is, rates of change, and integrals, that is, accumulated change. Thanks for watching.